25. Pass to Villaluz. Villaluz pass on number 31. 31. Pass to Oliver. Pass the corner for 3. No good. Rebound by number 19. Number 19 dribbling the ball pass to. Pass to Day. Day. Pull up. No good. Rebound. Put back. No good. Put back in but foul. No good. Basket is good by number 6. Oliver. Pass to number 31. Pass to Villaluz. No good. Rebound by number 14. Two points by number 31. Number 6. Number 19. No good. Rebound by number 14. Foul. Who's foul ref? Number Oliver. Oliver. Pass to number 14. Pass to Oliver. Pass to Villaluz. 40. No good. Rebound by 31 again. 31. 2 points by number 31. Number 28. Foul. Number 19, pass to number 6. Number 6 dribbling the ball. Pass to Warner. Faking, driving. No good. Rebound by. Outside. 25. Pass to number 15. For 3. Number 15, 3 points. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Pass to corner. Pull up. No good. Rebound by Day. 6. Steal. Take over. Pass to corner. Outside. Dribbling the ball. Set into play. Pass on to 31. 31. Foul. Rules foul left. Number 0. Number second team foul. Number 25. Pass on number 14. Number 14, no good. Rebound by number 19. 19. Driving to the basket. 2 points by number 19. Oliver. Number 25. Pass on number 15. For 3. No good. Rebound by number. Outside. Number 6 dribbling the ball. Number 6 Day. For 3. Basket is good. Number 1, setting the play. Pass to 31, Rabuza. No good. Rebound by number 19. Number 19 giving the ball. Driving to the basket. Pass to number 6, no good. Rebound by number 31. 31 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 14. Number 14. 14 driving to the basket. 2 points by number 14. Number 23. Dribbling the ball. 15 to shoot. No good. Rebound by. Foul. Loose foul left. Number. Second personal foul. Number 14. Dribbling the ball. Spinning. Pass on number 1. Setting the play. Pass on number. No good. Rebound number 14. Number 14. Foul. Loose foul left. Number. 14 basket is good. Second of them. Basket is good again. Number 16. Pass number 10. Taking. Pull up. Foul. Who's foul left? Number. No good by number 10. Foul by Anvil. Basket is good. Number 1. Pass to number 24. Pass to corner, number 14. Driving. Foul! Who's foul left? Number 3. Remaining time 5 minutes. Official score 24-23 in favor of Anvil. Basket is good by number 4. Number 14. So good. Rebound. Entering too soon. Number 16 pass to corner. Number 3. So good. Rebound by number 21. Basket is good by number 31. No good. Rebound by number 3. Number 16. Pass to number 10. Number 16 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 14. Give me the ball. Pass to 1. Pass on to 31. 31. Pass to number 14. For 3. No good. Rebound by 24. Number 16. Dribbling the ball. Number 16. Pass to elbow. 3. No good. Rebound by outside. Number 1. Number 1, pass to number 14, pass to number 1 again. Pass to number 15. Pass to number 24. 24? 24? 4 3. No good. Rebound by number 8. Pass to number 3. Steal by number 1. Steal again and 2 points by number 10. Pass to number 14. Number 14 driving to the basket. No good. Rebound. 31. No good. Rebound by outside. Same ball. 14. Inbound. Pass to 1. Pass to number 31. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 15. 5 to shoot. Foul. Who's foul left? Number. Special shout out, Gabriel Montero. No good. Rebound. Our official score is 28-25. Pass to number 14. Number 14, pass to number 1. Pass to number 15. Pull up. No good. Rebound by 15 again. Really loose. Pass to number 34. Pull up. No good. Rebound again by number 24. Steal outside. Number 16. Dribbling the ball. 16. Steal. Number 10. Steal by number 24. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Number 1. No good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14. Pass to number 1. Pass to Rape. No good. Rebound by 0. Pass to number 8. Number 18 by number 24. Foul. Who's foul left? Number 24. Warning for penalty. Pass to number 8. Number 8 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 16. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 8. Foul. Who's foul left? Personal foul. Penalty. Basket is good by number 8. Number 8 basket is good again. Ready for substitution. Number 1 pass on number 15. 15 pass on number 24. 24 pass on number 15. 15. Offensive. 16 dribbling the ball. 16 pass on number 6. Number 6 pass on number 16 again. 16. Pass to number 6. 2 points by number 6. Number 1 setting the play. Pass to Rabe. Rabe. Pass to number 15. Pass to Rabe. Pass to number 15. Rabe again. Pass to number 1. 7 to shoot. 14. 5 to shoot. Steal by number 0. Foul. Who's foul left? First shot, basket is good by number 0. No good, rebound, 24. Pass on number 15. Steal. Driving, number 8. Number 8, driving to the basket. Foul. Who's foul? No good, rebound by number 20. 14 dribbling the ball. Pass on number 15. Pass on number 14. Number 14. No good. Rebound by number 24. Foul. Who's foul left? Number 24. No good. Second. No good. Rebound by number 0. Number 16. Pass on number 6. 16 to the wall for 3. No good. Rebound by number 8. Number 8. Steal by number 24. 24. Dribbling the ball. Saves. Pass to number 16. Pass number 6. Driving to the basket. Number 6 for guys. Keeping the ball. 28 pass to number 3. Basket is good. 14 keeping the ball. Number 14, 15 to shoot. Driving to the basket. No good. Rebound by number 0. 0 pass number 3. Number 3 2 points by number 3. Number 14 pass on number 15 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 21. Steal by number 0. Number 0. Pass on number 3. 3 no good. Rebound by number 3. Number 3. Push the shot. No good. Rebound. Rebound by number 0. Number 0. Steal by number 15. Number 15. Pass on number 21. 21. Pass on number 24. 24. Giving the ball. Pass on number 14. 14. 14. Pass on number 24. 23. For downtown. 28. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 31. 41. Pass on number 25. 25. Oliver. Foul. Who's foul left? Number 14. Pass to the paint. 24. 2 points. Pass 2. No good. Rebound by number 15. Pass on number 14. Number 14 giving the ball. Drive into the basket. Foul. Who's foul left? Number pass 2. 25. Pass on number 14 giving the ball. Pass number 31. Traveling violation. 28. Dribbling the ball. Steal by number 14, 24. Pass number 14, 2 points by number 14. Pass number 3. No good. Rebound by number 24. Pass number 25. 25 getting the ball. 14. Pass to Rabusa. Rabusa. 31. No good. Number 3. Dribbling the ball. Pass away by number 3. Basket is good. Los Hermanos. Pass number 25. Fake. Pass number 31. 31. 31. Pass number 15. No good. Rebound by number 24. 24. Driving to the basket. Foul. Who's foul? Ready for timeout. Lost. No good. Rebound. Pass number 28. Pushing. Pass number 16. Backward in. 14 dribbling the ball. Steal. Pass goes to number 16. Well, 47. Pass to number 2 points. Number 1. Pass to number 24. Foul. 31. Basket is good. 31 no good. 16. Pass number 2 points. 24, pass to number 14. Pass to number 31. Pushing foul, rules foul. No.
Bat, sabat.
Second attempt, basket. Number 16. Pass number 19, 2 points. By number 19. Pass to number 16. Elbow, no good. Rebound by number 14. Pass to number 31. 31. 5. 31 basket is good. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Blocked by number 24. Pass to number 14. 14 dribbling the ball to the drive the hood. 16. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Number 6 driving. No good. Rebound by number 31. 31. Steal by number 16. 2 points by number 16. Driving. Pass to number 25. 25, 2 points by number. Steal by number 25. Steal by number 16. Foul! Foul, number. Basket is good. Basket is good. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Pass to 24. Pass to 25. 25. Foul. Basket is good. Manos. 16. Pass to number 3. No good. Rebound. The number 8. Pass to number 25. Oliver. Pass to number 14. 14. Pass to number 31. Steal. Number 3. Number 3. Pass to number 35. 35. Pass to number 31. No good. Rebound. Pass to number 6. No good. Number 0. No good. Number 35. Pass to number 14. 14. Ready for substitution. Number 14. Pass to number 24. 24. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 14. 2 points. Baby. Number 6. 2 points by number 14.
Boy, po.
14. Pass to number 24. 24.
Napunta na sila. Anong nga mo eh?
No good. Rebound by number. Save to number 16. Number 16. Pass to number. Hindi pass to number 16 again. No good. Rebound by number 0. Number 0. No good. Rebound by number 31. 31 gripping the ball. 31. Pass to number 24. Traveling by 38. 9 pass to 19, no good. Rebound. 15, pass to number 14. 14, foul. Anvil versus Jadens. Senior Division. 7 of them. No good. Rebound. Steal by number 31. 31. Pass to number. Steal again. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Driving to the basket, no good. Rebound. Outside. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 25 for 3. No good. Rebound. Then number 28. 28 dribbling the ball. 28 driving to the basket. Steal. Pass to number 0. No good. Outside. 13 driving to the basket. 2 points by number 14. All 53. Number 19. 2 points by number 19. 31. Pass to number 15. 15. Pass to number 24. 24. 24 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 25. 25. No good. Rebound by number 15. No good. Number 19. Number 19 dribbling the ball. 19. Steal by number. Recovered by number 9. 4 points by number 9. 31 dribbling the ball. 31. 2 points by number 31. Number 19. 15 to shoot. Number 19. 10 to shoot. Number 10. 2 points by number 19. Outside, same ball. Number 14, pass on number 25, pass on number 24, 31, 31, pass on number 14, 14 giving the ball, pass on number 31, pass on number 15, 3, 16, pass on number 8, pass on corner number 3, pass to number 8, pass on number 16, for 3. No good. Rebound by number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 6. No good. Rebound by number 31. Number 31. Number 31. Pass to number 14. 14 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 31. 2 points by number 31. Number 16. Number 16. Pull up. No good. Rebound by 16 again. Pass to number 6. 6 no good. Rebound by number 31. 25 giving the ball. Setting the play, pass on number 14. Setting the play again, pass on number 24. Taking, steal by number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Driving, pass to number 16. Counted. Number 16 basket is good. With number 16. Pass to number 25. 25 pass on number 24. 25 again. 25, pass to 15 for 3. No good. Rebound. Number 6. Number 6. No good. Foul is by ref. Pass number 15, 2 points. Foul. Number 6, for 3. No good. Rebound by number 6, 31. Pass number 24. 24, no good. Foul. Number 31. 31, driving to the basket, traveling violation. Basket is good. And number basket is good.
Lilit.
Pass number 25, no good. Rebound by number 31, 2 points. Pass number 10, pass the corner number 6. Number 14. Number 14. No good, rebound. Outside. No good. Offensive foul by number. Pass number 15, pass number 31. No good. Number 3. Basket is good by number 3. Number 24. 24. Pass the corner, number 15. Pass to number 24. Pass to 15. 15. Pass to number 14 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 15. Pass to number 25. 2 points by number 20. Number 16. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 16. Pass to number 8. 3 seconds. Violation. 5 minutes remaining. Number 14. Pass number 24. Driving. No good. Rebound. Foul. Who's foul? Pass number 3. Pass number 16 again. Number 16. Basket is good. Number 14 dribbling the ball. Pass number 31. Pass number 15. No good. Rebound by number 0. Pass number 16. Pass to number 19. No good. Rebound by number 0. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 15. Number 15. Number 14. Steal by number 3. Recover by number 31. Traveling by pass to Day. Number 6. Pass to number 3. No good. Rebound by number 34. Pass to number 15. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 14. 14. Foul. Who's foul ref number? Pointing for penalty. 24. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Steal by number 3. Hey, number 19. Pass to number 16. Number 16 dribbling the ball. 16. 8 seconds. 14. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 14. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 14. 5 to shoot. To 14. For 3. Basket is good. The number 15. Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 16. 15 to shoot. Number 3. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 6. Step. Pass to number 31. 31 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 15 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 24. Foul. Second attempt. No good. Rebound by number 19. Pass to number 6. Number 6. No good. Rebound by 0. Pass to number 6. Day. Pull up. 2 points by number 14. Pass to number 31. 31. Basket is good. Pass to number 3. Pass number 3 again. Pass number 16. 15 to shoot. Number 6. For 3. Block by number 14. Number 19. Seconds to shoot. Number 3 for 3. No good. Number 6. Foul. Who's our number? Basket is good. 14. Pass number 31. 31. Foul. Who's no good. By number 31. No good again. No good again. Rebound by number 2. Number 3. Dribbling the ball pass to number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 0. Alley pass to number 0. 15. Steal. Number 16. Red. Number 24. Pass to corner. Number 14. No good. Rebound by number 15. Pass to number 24. No good. Outside. Number 14. Pass to number 15 for 3. Number 16. Giving the ball. No good. Rebound by number 21. 31. Dribbling the ball. 31. 31. Number 6. 20 to shoot. Number 6. No good. Pass to number 14. For 3. No good. To shoot.